gotta go vote.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yay!
Oh, there you go.
Oh, we have a Dogocrat.
Oh dear.
Oh, no, not yet.
No.
Not yet. No.
Which one?
No,
She doesn't like either candidate.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Casey Joe. Come on, you don't want a treat. You don't want a treat.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Wait.
She's thinking about it.
Who are you voting for?
Oh,
There we go.
Grabbed it.
She is a Dogocrat.
We knew that.
Take it.
he's like, I'm so excited.
Okay. All right.
He's like, but it's a
Where
party.
you go?
It's a party for me. Oh, there we go. We are definitely a Republicanine.